Nick at Cincinnati Woodworking in America 2012 show. There's his phenomenal demonstration bench with a shoulder vise, leg vise, and a wagon vise. And Frank Klausz is going to come over and cut some dovetails here momentarily. So we're waiting for the big moment and the big event here. Hold tight. Mr. Frank Klausz, woodworker and dovetailer extraordinaire, is about to use Nick Dombrowski's Lake Erie Toolworks brand new shoulder vise screw to do some dovetailing.
You made some pictures? The most beautiful vise I ever seen. I wish I would own it. Man, it's beautiful.
And there you have it.
So you got my dovetails? Took a whole minute or what? It speaks for itself. You don't need anything better than that. You don't need anything better than that. 90 seconds. It's a really cool. This is a beautiful screw. You should be very proud about yourself. Made that. Very, very nice.